Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer account hierarchies in Zoho CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer account hierarchies in Zoho CRM, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the Accounts module in the main menu. Select the account whose hierarchy you wish to transfer. Click on the account name to open its detailed view. In the detailed view, locate the hierarchy section. Check if you have the necessary permissions to modify the account hierarchy. If you do not have the necessary permissions, contact your system administrator. Once you have confirmed your permissions, look for the Edit option in the Hierarchy section. Click the Edit button to enable modifications. In the Edit mode, you will see fields to add or remove child accounts. To transfer an account, find the child account you want to move. Select the child account from the list provided. Use the Move option to relocate the child account. Choose the destination account from the list of available parent accounts. Confirm the selection to ensure the child account is moved to the correct hierarchy. After selecting the new parent account, click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, review the updated hierarchy to ensure everything is correct. If needed, repeat the process for any additional accounts that require transferring. After making all necessary adjustments, exit the Edit mode. Utilize the Hierarchy view to visualize the new account structure. If satisfied with the changes, log out of your account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.